All right, let's relieve it. Breath. Ah. Stretch that out. Oh,
good. I feel really good.
awesome. Already got the low back. I like freebies. Yeah, your body does the work for me. Makes my life easier. Come on, low back. Balance this woman. Beep, beep. Amen, sister. So that's all good. This is excellent. I like your earrings.
Oh, thank you.
Yep. Head into my hand and relax the shoulder down.
Oh.
Just turned your lights back on. You're in a really good mood. Mm-hmm. And that traveled down here into those nerves. We're stabilizing it and telling it to hold itself, for God's sakes.